Okay, I almost got my booth ready at the new location. And there's my grungy screen door. And there's my round table. A little picket fence. And I gotta get some more stuff to put in here. I've about sold all my better things and hadn't been making any more. But yeah, this one's a 6x6, so I got more room now. It's still tight. I might end up moving the round table because it kind of just makes it a little too cramped, I believe. Oh, and over here, I got a good idea from one of the ladies here. Where that post goes to that door, I may put a board up there, hang some chains, and put a window there because it looks pretty plain right there the way it is. But anyway, I wanted to share that with y'all. Bye, y'all.